right. I'm Tony Centurelli, or Anthony Centurelli, and I'm a civil structural engineer in the New England District Office. I spent a decade doing industrial, like $600 million construction projects, sewer plants, stadiums, that sort of thing. And I saw an advertisement come up and it said, if you enjoy CSI and you're a professional engineer, come talk to us. And I said, hey, that's what I want to do. So. I can say that when somebody's in the design world, they see things on paper and they envision how it's supposed to be. When you do what we do, it's 20 years later, something broke, and now you have to figure out what was wrong with the original design and what went wrong with the construction. So I guess the hands-on is I know how you can make the mistakes and how to fix them, where somebody who's only been in an office will say, well, geez, I didn't know you can make that error. Well, I think it's the forensic engineering part of things. You can't be an expert on every single thing that comes up your way, but you can be an expert on the engineering principles that get you to know what you don't know. So in terms of the education stuff, even though a state may not have a requirement for continuing education, some of them are mundane, just show us you did 15 hours or show if you did 30 hours. But most of the time you're learning on every file you do, or maybe not every one, but you say, man, I got to know the right word, or I got to know the right argument against why I'm saying that this isn't right or this is right. And that's more detailed than just saying, hey, I read it in a manual, and that's as far as I'm going. So the education really comes with a need, not an industry, a practice.